I never thought I'd be making a video about hiring electricians, but here we are. So, yeah, let me tell you about this whole EV charger installation thing. It's like, seriously, one of those adult problems you never think about until you're facing it. I mean, I got my first electric car and I was all excited, right? But then I realized I needed a home charger and I was like, how do I even start? It's not like you can just plug it into a regular outlet and call it a day. You need a professional, and not just any professional, a state-licensed electrician. Okay, so let me paint you a picture of what it used to be like trying to find an electrician for your EV charger. First, you'd probably ask your friends if they know anyone, right? But chances are, they don't. So then you're stuck Googling electricians near me. And suddenly you're drowning in a sea of names and numbers. You start calling around, leaving messages, waiting for callbacks that never come. And even if you do find someone, how do you know they're actually qualified to install an EV charger? It's not like hanging a light fixture, you know? This is some serious electrical work we're talking about. You need someone who knows what they're doing, or else you might end up with a charger that doesn't work, or worse, a potential fire hazard. So, remember how I said I found a solution? Well, here it is, evchargerfast.com. I'm not even kidding. This website is like the superhero of EV charger installations. It's so simple, it's almost ridiculous. You just go to the site and boom, you've got access to a whole network of state-licensed electricians who specialize in EV charger installations. The best part? It's fast, like seriously fast. You can usually get someone out to your place within a day or two. And the process is so easy, even I could do it without messing up. You just enter your info, pick a time that works for you, and you're done. That's it. No hassle, no stress, just a simple, straightforward way to get your EV charger installed. And there you have it, folks. The days of stressing over finding a good electrician for your EV charger are officially over. evchargerfast.com has got you covered. I mean, I wish this existed when I first got my electric car. It would have saved me so much time and headache. But hey, at least now I can pass on this knowledge to you guys. So if you're thinking about getting an EV charger installed, or if you know someone who is, do yourself or them a favor and head over to evchargerfast.com. It's seriously a game changer. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you have any EV charger stories of your own. Until next time, happy charging.